In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur faces in Davinci Resolve. Once you have your video in the timeline, you need to come on over to the Color tab. From here, ensure you have your clip selected. You're going to click onto the Window tab, and then you want to click onto this one, which is the pen marker. Then you're going to outline the face of the video. And then you can go ahead to properly adjust it if you like, to ensure that it is exactly how you would want. Then from here, what you want to do is in the Effects tab over here, you want to search for Blur if it's not already there. And then after you do this, you want to get the blur and apply it onto the clip that you'd want. And then you could adjust the strength of the blur. From here, if you're going over to the Tracking tab, what you want to now do is click Track Forward. And then once it's done, if we go back on over to the main page, if we play our video, as you can see, the face is blurred. If you don't want to use this blur, there are different blurs you could use. For example, if we delete the Gaussian blur and you add, for example, a mosaic blur, it's going to be this sort. So coming back on over to the main tab. And that's how easy it's done. Be sure to like, subscribe for more videos.